Welcome guys, welcome back to another XJ650 Build video. I just want to say thank you very much to you guys because we've managed to hit 15,000 subscribers. 15,000. If you remember back to the start of the year when I was writing all my goals out, I set myself the target of hitting 10,000 subscribers and 1 million views. Guess what? We smashed both of those. We're nearly at 1.5 million views. We're at 15,000 subscribers. So I just wanted to say a massive thank you, and hopefully next year we will have so much more to bring and offer. Now, in this video we are going to be removing all the parts that aren't necessary for this build and the things that aren't going to be going back on the bike. It's a bit of a mundane task, having all like the naked frame and getting all rid of all the wiring, because we are going to be doing so much to this bike. But before we can actually do any more, we really have to get rid of all that stuff out of the way, just so we can see the foundations we're working with. The main part being this section here. There's so much stuff in there that we're not going to be using, like the original airbox, the original battery, these plastics, you know, all the tabs. There's so much stuff. Even the rear foot pegs, they've got to come off. But under all this stuff is going to be what I feel is going to be a beautiful bike. So in true Jish fashion, less talking, more cinematics, and let's get straight into it. Right, so I've just been doing my research on this airbox because I'm looking at it and I'm just like, how the hell do you get this thing out? And there's two options. The first option would be to take the carbs off, take the starter motor off, take the manifold off, and then move the whole engine forward to get it out, or cut it out. So please don't hate me and this decision. I am going to be cutting it out. I know a lot of you love these bikes in their original standard, and I know a lot of people say the original airbox is better over pods, but this is a cafe racer build. This is to make it look fast and be different. And okay, yeah, I'm going to have to do some jetting and messing with the carbs to make it run a bit better. That's a decision I'm going to make right now. Hey ho, this is my build, this is my bike, and now I'm going to cut this thing up. So again, that was still a lot of work, and yes, you are right, I will be taking the engine out anyway, but I'm not ready to take it out just yet, hence why I thought cutting it out would be the better option for me. There's still a lot of work I need to do on the frame, on all sorts of things before I even attempt to take the engine out. So as you can see, the frame is rusty as hell, and I know a lot of you don't like that, but it's a bike build. I bought this as spares and repairs pretty much, and I'm going to be doing it like my CB, strip down, build back up. Like, everything is going to be brand new, fresh nuts and bolts, so don't worry about the rust. It is just what it is for now. So now the next port of call will be the electrics. The electrics should be fairly straightforward, but yeah, I'm just going to get the bulk of it off. But as you can already see, we have already taken a lot off, and it's already looking a lot less, and it's looking a lot more minimal, which I'm really happy about, because I want to be able to see all the details of like the nice shaped engine and the frame. You know, there's a lot of details on this bike that are taken for granted that are not shown, so it's a shame to hide them away behind plastic and ugly things like the airbox. Well, that's made a huge difference. Yes, we're gonna have to be replacing that wiring, but next video I'll be going over all sorts of parts that I've been collecting and buying for the bike in secret over the past month or so stay tuned for more. So smash that subscribe button to keep up to date with this build. I'm happy with what we've done today. Just removing a few parts that we're not going to be using, that we're not going to be replacing, has given us that kind of that look that we want. But anyway guys, that's what we've got time for today. There's going to be some videos on the CB, there's going to be some videos on this XJ, and there's some more content coming very soon, so stay tuned. And as always, I shall see you in the next video. Peace.